Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do a nozzle check test page on a Canon iP7250. Now all we need to do is hold down this button, which is the stop, reset or resume button. And we're going to hold it down until the light above it flashes twice, the power light. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, release. Now after just a few seconds we're presented with this test page. It breaks down all the different colours your printer uses. It allows you to look for any stripes or anything that's missing, which is pretty good here. We do have a bit of an alignment issue on the black, so that's something we're going to have to deal with. But that's that. Hopefully that will show you where the issue lies. If you notice any print quality issues on your test page, I'd recommend doing some cleaning cycles, for which we've got another video on our channel. But that's all there is to see really. I hope you've found this useful. If you have, please chuck us a like. Otherwise, I'll see you next time. Thank you. Take care.